ខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់កម្ពុជាប្រទេសល្អខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់កម្ពុជាប្រាសាទបុរាណស្អាតមនុស្សល្អ
Do you recommend people from outsider to visit Cambodia? Because some people they're afraid about the safety and all.
very safe and great people
សួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវខ្ញុំមកដល់បូកូហើយខ្ញុំបានជួបបងប្រុសម្នាក់ហើយគាត់ចេះនិយាយភាសាខ្មែរហើយគាត់រៀនអក្សរខ្មែរហើយគាត់ស្រឡាញ់ប្រទេសកម្ពុជាមែនទែនឥឡូវមកជួបគាត់ហើយសួរគាត់ខ្លះពីចំណាប់អារម្មណ៍របស់គាត់ផ្សេងហើយមកស្គាល់គាត់បន្ថែមទៀតជំរាបសួរបង
ជំរាបសួរ
បងឈ្មោះអីដែរអាចប្រាប់បងប្អូនយើងបានទេ
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Skyler ខ្ញុំមកពី California អាមេរិក
ហេតុអីបងចេះភាសាខ្មែរ
ព្រោះខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់កម្ពុជា
បាទ
ប្រទេសល្អមនុស្សល្អប្រាសាទបុរាណស្អាត
How do you know Cambodia for the first like
Oh, how did I know for the first time?
Yeah.
My dad had a friend, American friend who lived here. And my dad never got to go because it was unstable in the 80s and 90s when he was traveling. So I went with him for the first time in 2019. Yom Banto Phnom Penh, Yom Banto Siem Reap, Mul Prasat Boran, Nyam Mahov Khmer.
បាទ
Changai.
អីគេដែលបងចូលចិត្តជាងគេ What do you like the most
Nyom Cholcha Manu Khmer.
មនុស្សខ្មែរ
Yeah.
Why
Chatlo.
Chatlo.
Yeah. Chatlo smell trong beep. We're honest, right? Yeah,
small
but
trunk ចុះបងធ្លាប់ទៅណាខ្លះដើរលេងខេត្តរាជធានីណាខ្លះដែលបងធ្លាប់ទៅលេង
I don't know all the province names, but Kanyom Tau Phnom Penh, Kanyom Tau Siem Reap, Otlo Tau Battambang, Nyom Chong Tau.
Mong Chong Tau Battambang.
Moi Tingai.
បាត់ដំបងស្រុកកំណើតខ្ញុំ my hometown you can go there and visit I will tour you
Kanyom Chong Tau, yeah, but
so why you interested you show me like you type my and you also speak my why
because I went when I was young and I was super interested by it. Like I saw all the ancient temples. I mean, the more modern stuff, Khmer Rouge, everything. Yeah.
So you also learn about the history.
Yeah, I learned about the history and
like how do you feel when you learn about like the Khmer history? You said you visit the temple, you see all the.
I mean, it's both. It's like super happy in some ways. Angkor Wat, ancient Khmer Empire, like amazing, and then Khmer Rouge. It's so like a whole spectrum, wide range of history, U.S. involvement, everything. Like I took a Vietnam War class, and he talked a little bit about Cambodia, but I became interested and I learned a lot about the history.
So thank you.
Oh,
like,
I know.
You know, we
thank
really
you.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
បងអាចនិយាយពាក្យខ្មែរមួយចំនួនឧទាហរណ៍ I love Cambodia បងចេះនិយាយជាភាសាខ្មែរ
say it.
Yeah.
ខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់កម្ពុជា
បងមានអីនិយាយទៅបងប្អូនខ្មែរ Do you have something to say to Cambodia people who watch this video
កម្ពុជាប្រទេសល្អខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់កម្ពុជាប្រាសាទបុរាណស្អាតមនុស្សល្អ
Oh, I want to ask one more question because right now we have like the war between Cambodia and Thai. Do you recommend people from outsider to visit Cambodia? Because some people they're afraid about the safety and all. How do you feel about that?
ប្រទេសសវត្ថិភាពណាស់
You recommend people?
Yeah មកទៅកម្ពុជា
Could you speak in English and ask them?
You should go to Cambodia. Great country, very safe and great people. Probably don't go to Previcia, right?
Yeah.
Just don't go there and you'll be okay.
Yeah, that's right. So thank you so much, Bong, for joining me. Thanks for learning Khmer, learning the history and love Cambodian, and we all love you. I hope the people out there see it and they will comment something good to you as well. Let's see.
That'll help me learn. Anyone I can talk to help learn.
Yeah. អញ្ចឹងអរគុណបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសង្ឃឹមថាបងប្អូនចូលចិត្តជាមួយអ្វីដែលគាត់បានរៀនពីប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្ររបស់យើងភាសារបស់យើងហើយប្រសិនបើចូលចិត្តវីដេអូនេះកុំភ្លេចចែករំលែកផងហើយ comment ពាក្យល្អៗពីព្រោះវីដេអូនេះគាត់នឹងឃើញហើយគាត់នឹងចូលមើល comment ដែរអរគុណបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយអរគុណដែលបានទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះកុំភ្លេចចែករំលែកផងខ្ញុំចន្ទរិទ្ធហើយនឹងបងសូមអរគុណសូមជម្រាបលាបាយ
អរគុណច្រើនទាំងអស់គ្នា
អរគុណបងអរគុណច្រើនមែនអរគុណ
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.